Midjourney has a competitor, and it's free. Now we just open it. Type in Google bluewillow. Here's what the bluewillow main screen looks like. Then we click Join Free Beta. This is very similar to Midjourney. We are directed to Discord. Then we click Accept Invite. And this is what bluewillow looks like in Discord, which is exactly the same as Midjourney. The way to use it is the same. Well, this is very important. How to use it? You click Rookie, Friends. And how to use it is the same. We type /imagine. Then type at the prompt. In my opinion, this is amazingly good. Even though in terms of quality, the picture is a bit different from Midjourney. Next I will try make a picture, and the result is like this.